Good morning. I'm coming to you from Arkadelphia, Arkansas. As you can see what's behind me, I'm here for another Amtrak tour. Alright, so I'm going to go walk through this station, see what all it has to offer, and show you around. Alright, come on along with me. Let's go make some memories. Okay, so coming in off the road over here, you see there's a few parking spots on this side. And there's a reserved and then another one here. Let's see what else the station's got. It looks like a lot of it's blocked off for maybe renovations. Doesn't look like there's too much here. There's one or two things to see. Here's our signboard, Arkadelphia. Proof that I was here. I'm not making it up. And as you see, as you walk this way, it just says construction area, keep out. So you can't even get out here to the platform this way. So where do they load the trains here? That's a good question. My guess is they're loading the trains through this gate probably, because there's no way to get through. It doesn't look like any other way. Let me see. I don't know if this station's going to be open. 9:30 p.m. till 3:50 a.m. Nope. Let me see if you guys can see. Yeah, there you go. You see the worker's desk on the left. There's a few tables. A few chairs there to sit. That's your waiting area right there. Not too much. Then they've got this nice little covered area here. This is actually really nice, this covered area. Ooh, let's see what this says. I'll get back to that in a second. The Texas Eagle passing through here. Northbound departs at 10:02 p.m. Southbound at 4:20 a.m. Wow. Northbound heading to Little Rock, St. Louis, Springfield, Chicago. Southbound Texarkana, Dallas, Fort Worth, San Antonio, LA, or Houston. Because I don't know if those of you who know, when you're on the Texas Eagle, that train actually splits. And from where I'm at right now, it's 696 miles to Chicago, 414 to St. Louis, which I am heading to neither of which. But you see this area here with this nice rooftop and everything. Why is there no place to sit in here? Oh, there's a bench right here. And that's it. Just that janky bench that's like falling over. This would be a good spot to have put in 2 or 3 picnic tables. That would have been excellent. It's actually a nice place to sit. The morning that I'm here, it's very muggy and humid. It's been raining a lot the last few days. And I'm actually here on a Sunday, so it's kind of quiet. I'm just going to continue to walk this way. I don't know what else is here. Let's see. Okay, this is it's not open today. It's free admission. Clark County, Arkansas Museum. No train tickets sold here. But it's not open on Sundays, Mondays, or Tuesdays. So I'm out of luck today no matter what. And tomorrow. And this says Mopac Railway 1917, which is Missouri Pacific Historical Society. So then walking over this way, there's a couple things I want to point out to you guys. One is this pavilion that's here. I was just talking about how back there, right at the train station, there would have been a good spot for a few picnic tables. Well, we've got 3 there, and we've got a barbecue grill there as well, which is nice, and a few other picnic tables and benches scattered throughout. And then in 2003 they opened up the historical museum here. That's in the old train station building. And then look what they got parked out here. They got an old Missouri Pacific Lines caboose, number 13831. I don't know if you can go inside. My feet are getting soaked walking through this grass, which sucks. I don't know if you can go inside the caboose. My guess is that it's locked. It's probably only open when the museum's going on, but you can walk up there for photo ops, that kind of thing. So that's neat to see. And then this is one of the 4 kettles used in production of salt on the Saline Bayou, 1 mile east of Arkadelphia, from 1814. That's 210 years old. 210 years old. Chester and Sadie Lee Terrell Chester and Sadie Lee Terrell donated that as a gift to the Historical Museum. I didn't know they did salt production here. That's pretty interesting to find out. Alright guys, so this is going to wrap up my quick visit to the Arkadelphia, Arkansas Amtrak station. You saw how there's a museum here. If you're lucky enough to be here Wednesday through Saturday, I would definitely go and check out that museum, especially for free admission, just as donations appreciated. It's nice to have a museum and be able to go in and, you know, give them a couple bucks. I mean, come on. The way prices are today, you pay a couple bucks for nothing. Everything is $5-10 now. So give them $2-3. That's great. You know, if you like this video, if you like train travel, go ahead and hit that like button. It's the best thing you can do for me and my family. It's going to help out our channel immensely. Also, leave me a comment down below. Have you ever traveled through Arkadelphia? Even if it was on Interstate 30. Let me know in the comments down below. But if you travel by train, I'd love to hear from you. Also, in Arkadelphia, from this museum, there's nothing really right by here. As you guys kind of see when I was walking around, it's residential. And then right on the other side of the tracks over there, it's more industrial. But if you know anybody who likes Amtrak travel, Amtrak trains, train travel in general, go ahead and share this video with them. That will help spread the word that our channel's out there and we're trying to do this. We're trying to hit every single Amtrak station in North America. I can't say United States because there's a couple Canadian stations too where the trains go. And we are going to get to those, like on the train. We can't wait. We have a lot of plans coming up in the next year or two. But yeah, that's going to wrap it up here, guys. Safe travels. See you on the rails. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this one. It was a quick one, but we'll see you soon.